Hello viewers and a warm welcome back to my channel. Right, this is the piece of green wood that I am going to put on. I've just run the portion a bit just to flatten that there so I can get this onto the lathe. It has got quite a few cracks on it, but hopefully they only go there, so we'll have a go at seeing what we can make out of this. It might be a waste of time or it might be alright, so we'll get this on. That's it. It seems okay. Lay down. Will rock and bump a bit, but I can get to the lathe to 800, well, that will be fine. So we'll start attacking this now. Okay, so it seems as though it's part of a clutch piece, so hopefully it might give me some nice little features in it. But till I start turning it and seeing what's going to happen, I'm not sure. I'm going to wear my face shield on to be safety, so let's go for it. I'm going to just have a look, see how far that goes. Oh, that goes in pretty far, that does, so pretty rotten. So that is pretty rotten, that wood is, look, as you can see. Oh, maybe we can make something out of it, or just give up on it. Or I could dig it out and put some resin in it. It's pretty rotten, as you can see. Oh, it's back to what decent wood there. That's pretty decent. I can either turn it, either fill that up with resin, or just turn it and leave that as a feature in it. The rest of it pretty solid. Shame about that. Do a bit more turning on it and see what happens. Make sure it's going to hold on. Keep going. Right, I'm still unsure about this piece, but I am going to reverse it on the truck now and I'll show you. Don't give you much on the bottom there, so it might explode, but like I says, it might all just explode, and so I'm going to attack that front now, and then I'm going to decide then what I'm going to do with it. It's pretty decent. All stuck out the way. I'm going to still keep out the line of fire by keeping over here, so if it does go, hopefully it'll go that way, not at me. So, but I have got my impact shield on just okay. And that's what I'm on about. So I should have gone with my gut feeling and realised that this wood is proper rotten. Look, looking up, it's shot over there, and there we are. It's not worth, you know, gluing together resin, you know, or even chucking a load of resin in it. You know, I could do, but to me it's not worth it. So when you get pieces like this, sometimes you can get away with them and do a nice piece, but in my case, no, it didn't happen. Shame, because I think it would have been a nice piece, but there again, supposing I could have gone for that, you know, resin to hold it together, but the wood is just, you know, I could still do it, type it together and fit it up with resin, but I'm not going to bother, because it's pretty soft all the way through, so I think I'd still have the same issues. You know, so unfortunately this one goes into the scrap pile. So word of caution, if you get that little doubt in your mind, don't do it. If you're unsure, back off it. I was unsure, but I wanted to see how far I could take this piece. I had a strange feeling it was going to blow apart, and I was right. Till the next time, bye.